on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another video. This is my garage. It's still in building process. I have lights that are kind of dangling over here. This one's off. And I have, this is the wife's car. That right there on top of the F30 bumper. So yeah, it's a significant upgrade from my last garage because my last was just a one-car garage, but now obviously I could fit two in here and I have a lot of space to work. So total garage build in process coming. So guys, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe because I'm gonna show you where I got these lights as well. And I'm just gonna really vamp up this garage because it's gonna look dope. It gives me time to work on the car. I'm just really excited. So I wanna give you a quick update on that. Second update is, guys, the BavSound system is getting just broken in. You know, BavSound recommends that you do like 12 hours of a break-in period before you really abuse it. And I gotta say, I already broke into it and it sounds phenomenal. You know, I love the way it sounds. It's so much clarity, so much just, how do I put it? I can hear every element clearer. You know, before, back in the day, I used to have a Jeep Cherokee, right? And in the trunk, I was rocking 3 12-inch subs kickers, right? And then I had an amplifier, I think it was like Power Technique or something like that, but I had well over 1200 RMS of watts. It was nuts, it was a monster. People can hear me. Like, people can hear me in the neighborhood pulling in. I don't know how in the world my eardrums didn't pop, but my gosh, it was obnoxious. It was not clear at all. I did have tweeters that I installed. I did have woofers and 3 subs, but man, it was obnoxious. It was so much sound. I don't know why I did that, because now that I think about it, when I'm listening to people pass by and I hear the subs, I'm like, gosh, I feel bad for the eardrums. But it's not impressive. It just brings a whole different style, a whole different vibe it's just not me. It's kind of ghetto, sorry. It's just not me. I don't want this to be rattling, especially those that get the subs and they don't like soundproof their trunk. So like everything rattles, you know, like that's not impressive, bro. Look, if you're gonna do it right, dyno-mat your trunk, for the love of God. If you're pumping out 3 kicks, 3 subwoofers, and you're cranking it loud and impress people, but yet your trunk rattles, that's just embarrassing, bruh. Sorry, I'm just venting. Anywho, that's not what this video is about. I want to talk about the BavSound Stage1 upgrade that I installed on these F36. I ripped apart the Harman Kardon sound system. It's sitting right here. I may do a giveaway. I'm not sure if somebody wants it. It's premium sound, right? If you don't want to pay $2,000 for an upgraded sound kit on your BMW, guess what? I have it right here. So if you want it, throw me a comment, throw me a DM. Maybe I'll do a giveaway, or if you want to buy it. I really don't care what I do with it, but hey, it's there. But this is a significant upgrade. The Stage1 sound kit from BavSound brings out so much clarity and quality, and I've said it before, and I'm already way past the break-in period. So I've been really messing with the equalizer just to give me more lows and more of that kick feel on the bass drum. I want to hear the bass guitar and just like the high notes, right, on the vocals and guitar riffs. So I've been able to really enjoy music at a whole different level. You see, I really feel like I have to replay tracks that I've been listening to so much in the stock sound system with the Harman Kardon. Now I feel like I have to replay it, right? I said that twice. But it really brings out so many like elements. I'm hearing new things on songs that I've never heard before. And I really believe it's because of the high fidelity sound system that it just amplified everything. So guys, if I can say anything at all, is that this BavSound Stage1 sound kit is totally worth it. With the subs, the woofers, the tweeters. I mean, honestly, I'm gonna be really blown away when I do install that Ghost amplifier. I think that's what it's called. It's just an amplifier that BavSound offers. But man, if it sounds this good with the stock amp that I have in my BMW, you can only imagine what it would sound like with the upgraded amplifier from BavSound. So guys, I'm excited. It sounds phenomenal. Yeah guys, so that's what I've been doing. I'm still messing with it. It's not fine-tuned just yet. You know, you could try this equalizer out. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know how it sounds on your Harman Kardon sound system. And if it sounds great, let me know. You know, throw a comment below. But yeah, it's a quick little brief review. You know, I do want to thank BavSound for sending me this sound kit. It was so simple to install. It took me maybe a couple of hours just because of a lot of components. I had to remove the door panels. I had to get into the trunk side to remove the rear speaker. So it's a bit of a hassle to get in there, to be honest, but it's really simple. It's literally plug and play. There's no clipping of wires. There's no soldering done. I mean, guys, it's really simple. BavSound made it so simple for us to go in and just unplug and plug in and get the sound system installed. So I did it like in maybe 3-4 hours. I uploaded a video on it, you can watch it up here. But besides that, guys, again, I broke it in, I've been cranking it in, I've been driving up the freeway, 80 miles an hour. And on the Grand Coupes, for all of you that are driving 4 Series, I think you know what I'm saying when I say that it's loud in the cabin, right? BMW reviewed it a few times, and I can hear the wind. It's not that soundproof, which I really don't care. It's a performance vehicle, right? It's super soundproof what it is, but I can still hear, I'm contradicting myself, but I can still hear wind, right? Like the noise outside, if you will, kind of like a, right? So even with that sound, when I'm cranking the sound system, it sounds phenomenal, and I love it. So I hope that this video brought you value. Thank you so much for watching my content, guys. We have amazing partnerships with Kies Motorsports, with BavSound, with Crown Auto and Glendora. I mean, gosh, the sequence breaks. Now I have a new one coming up. Stay tuned, make sure you subscribe because I'm gonna announce the next partnership soon. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next week.